So one of the biggest problems with AI-generated images has always been the text. It's always difficult to change the text on AI-generated images unless you will have to redesign the whole image again, and in many cases you will get a different result than the original one. But Lovart AI just dropped this feature that lets you edit the text inside any AI image, and it matches the exact same style, same font, same energy as the original one. I'm talking here graffiti, brush stroke, neon, whatever it is, it adapts. So to show you how powerful this is, I took this iconic 2-pack tribute design, the crown, the crosshair, the whole thing, and I rebuilt it around Lamine Yamal, this amazing football talented player. New face, new name, same DNA, and that graffiti text, the AI did it for me. So I'm going to walk you through the full process right now, so let's jump into it. So use the link in the description to take you directly to lovart.ai. Their dashboard is very simple. You can choose between different items or different features. I'm going to select the Nano Banana Pro and I'm going to paste my prompt. This prompt is extracted from an image that I liked on the internet, a poster of 2-pack, and I used this website to extract the prompt from the image. It's a free image to prompt generator, so you simply upload the design and ask it to generate prompt for it. And by doing this, you can generate a similar image to the original one, but at the same time, it is still going to be different because it's an AI generated one. And then I extracted this prompt and I pasted in Lovart to generate a similar design to the 2-pack design. So Lovart has this nice infinite canvas in the middle and this agent chat box on the right. So it started to analyze the prompt and it created a perfect image of 2-pack, very similar to the design that I initially liked from the internet. You will notice that the word 2-pack is in a very stylistic font with lots of effect that it will be very difficult to produce if you like to change the text itself. And here comes the magic of Lovart. They have this edit text feature where you just need to select your image and press on the edit text, and it's going to read all the text on the image, and you can even edit it in the same style. So you can see here that it is reading all the text, the RIP, the 2-pack, and even the stylized 2-pack at the bottom. So we can easily change this, but before that, let's press on the cancel button and click on the quick edit tab. I'm going to use it first to replace the 2-pack image with my main design character, the football player Lamine Yamal. So I'm asking it to replace 2-pack portrait with the portrait of Lamine Yamal while applying the same style and color effects to the original image, and press on run. And in a couple of seconds, I get this amazing design of Lamine Yamal in a very similar style to the 2-pack original image. However, I still have the text of the original image and I need to change the text. And most importantly, I need to keep the effect of the graffiti text of 2-pack, but convert it to my own text. And this is the challenging part of the whole process. And here where Lovart AI comes in handy. So just press on the edit text button while you are selecting the image. And again, it's going to read all the text. Of course, I need to change all the text of the image because it's not related to the same design anymore. So I'm going to write generational text instead of rest in peace. I'm going to change all the lines to my own text. So I replaced all the text, but the main text now is the one that we are looking for. So I'm going to change the graffiti text of 2-pack to Yamal and press on the apply edits button. So hoping to see now my text to be in the same style of the original graffiti of 2-pack, and this is the result I got. Perfect Yamal word in the same graffiti style of the original one. Nothing changed, even the colors, and all the text is also updated at the top. And most importantly, the design itself is as is. Nothing happened to the original design of the image that was generated of Lamine Yamal. And if we put them together beside each other, we can see that the design is as is while the text is updated. Even the original one of 2-pack, the same style is as is. So I'm going to duplicate the image and press on the quick edit button. I would like to fade the image a little bit from the bottom upwards to fade the body. So I'm using a detailed prompt to add transparency to the body to apply a similar effect to the body of Lamine Yamal, similar to the original 2-pack transparency effect. You don't have to do this. This is an extra step that I'm applying to get the result that I want. It's a very lengthy prompt. I used ChatGPT to help me with writing this prompt, and I press on the run button, and this is the result that I got: a faded body of 𝗗𝗓𝗏 while the text is kept in full opacity. This is exactly what I wanted. Of course, to print this type of graphics, you will need to use Photoshop, which is not the subject of this video. Just wanted to show you how the edit text feature is very valuable when it comes to editing AI text on images. So we can even press on it again, and this time I'm going to delete the text from the image, only keep the email word, and press on the apply edits. I'm going to show you now that you can even add your own text inside the platform, and here is the generated image without the text. So supposedly we would like to add our own text now on the image using a different font. You can do this manually also on the Lovart platform. So you can simply press on the text button and add a text box on the image, and you can choose between different fonts and font weights on the platform. So I'm going to add FC Barcelona, stretch it a little bit, change the text to something bolder maybe. Let's try this one here, the lemon font. Yeah, I think it looks nice. And I'm going to add a new text that says legend, just as simple as that, and also choose a different font. I'm going to change the color to match one color of the image colors, and this is the design, the final design. You can even select everything and merge all the items together as one image, and that's it. That was a quick tutorial showing you the feature, the edit text feature on Lovart. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.